हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. द काउंट रेट फ्रॉम अ रेडियोएक्टिव सैंपल फॉल्स फ्रॉम 4 into 10 to the power 6 per second to 1 into 10 to the power 6 per second in 20 hours. Right? What will be the count rate 100 hours after the beginning? The key concept used in this question is radioactive disintegration या decay. Let's solve this question. So in the solution part, we see that what are the parts are given here. Given initial count rate. Initial count rate is A naught is equal to 4 into 10 to the power 6 disintegration per second, and it is decaying to 1 into 10 to the power 6 per second in 20 hours. Let this value A is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 6 per second, and the duration for this decay is 20 hours. As we know that the activity of a radioactive sample, activity of a radioactive sample is A is equal to A naught divided by 2 T by T half. What is T half? You know, T half is the half life of it. Half life means when this count rate is exactly becoming half. Let's see that T half is half life. You know that ki A is given as 1 into 10 to the power 6, and this is A naught is 4 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2 T to the power T by T half. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 10 to the power 6, ये 10 to the power 6 कैंसिल हो गया. तो नेक्स्ट पेज में हम इस चीज को लिख देते हैं कि लास्ट स्लाइड में हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर ये 4 है, तो हम जब इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 2 T by T half is equal to 4 के बराबर, and this can be written as 2 to the power 2. So we can see that कि this part is equal to this part. So we can equate that T by T half is equal to 2. So we are equal to find out T half. T half can be written as T by 2. T हमें given है 20 hours divided by 2 is equal to 10 hours. This is an important result कि T half is coming out to be 10 hours. अब इसने हमें क्या पूछा है? इसने ये पूछ रखा है कि 100 आवर्स के बाद what will be the count rate. तो हमारे पास T half आ चुका है, तो after 100 hours means T dash is equal to 100 hours. तो हमें find करना है disintegration rate. So this is, let it be A dash is equal to A naught by 2 T dash by T half. So we know that A naught is given as 4 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2. T जो है आपको यहाँ पे T dash की वैल्यू आपको दे रखा है 100. T half ऑलरेडी हमने फाइंड कर रखा है 10. So this can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 10. Right? तो जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, so after solving this we are getting the answer as, this is coming as 0.390625 into 10 to the power 4. On further simplification हम इस चीज को लिख सकते हैं कि 3.9 into 10 to the power 3 disintegration per second. This is your answer. I hope you got it. Thank you.